Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my snack crate box for the month of August. Yes, I said August. They're gonna get a pass this time around. Y'all know generally that's a pet peeve of mine if something comes not in the month that it is designated to come in. But I do understand with the shipping, the tariffs, and all the things that kind of happen through the month of August, we're gonna give them some grace this time. This is only my second snack crate box. The first one I actually was able to do with my family while we were on family vacation, and it was a really cool experience. We didn't love everything, but the experience itself was fun. And that's what this box kind of is for me. It's more of the experience of it, the excitement of it, getting to try and test different snacks and stuff like that from different countries. So with all that being said, I'll pop some deets right here for y'all, but it's roughly $17. They do also offer add-ons, so I like that as well. So you can see my add-ons are on the outside, and then my actual snack crate is the smaller box. So this is the actual snack crate that we would normally get. And let me get this out of my way. I liked the add-ons, which I didn't get them for myself. I got them for family members, but it's okay. I actually got these for me. These are the Skittles Squishy Clouds, soft and airy. And I'm kind of hoping these are like one of my favorite candies, squashies, I'm hoping. And then I also got the Crazy Sours Skittles Giants. These I will not be opening because they're for my nephew, but they are huge, you guys. They're like this big around, and he loves sour Skittles. So when I saw these as an add-on, I got them for him. I'll try to see if Brett will let me film him trying these later on. These are also not for me, but these are the Sour Patch Kids Cola flavor. And if you guys have been here with us for a long time and you've seen some of our like food unboxings, like tasting things from like the UK when I get a swap box from my beautiful friend Kate, then you will know that Brett and my son, they both absolutely love cola flavored anything. So I was excited about those as well. And then I will go into my actual snack crate box. The August country was Egypt. Here is our little pamphlet. It will give us pertinent details and stuff like that, as well as a QR code so we can find out more information about the products. I will go over the pamphlet when we are done. First up, we have something called Chip Secco, and they are kebab flavored. I bet those are gonna be delicious. I'm also gonna check very quickly for the expiration date, because I did kind of see in the last box some of my stuff was already kind of out of date, so I was a little bit nervous to kind of continue with the box. And in saying that, obviously this is a beauty channel, but I do obviously love food. I mean, we're humans and we all eat food, you know what I'm saying? And I do kind of mix in subscription boxes and stuff like that, and I feel like I have a good balance of like subscription boxes, you know, tutorials, things like that on my channel. Moving forward, is this a box you guys would like to see me continue to get and unbox here on the channel, or is it not something that you're really interested in? You are not going to hurt my feelings in any way. If y'all don't want to see it, then I'm probably just not going to get the box anymore. I did also already pay for my September box, so that will hopefully be here soon, and then I will kind of determine based on this box and your feedback and the upcoming September box whether or not I'll keep the box or not. So just let me know. Next up, we have the Abu Off, the baked pretzels thyme flavor. That sounds delicious. I do love pretzels. Okay. Next up is Go Nuts Crunchy Coated Peanuts, barbecue flavored. I'm not a fan of peanuts, although I love peanut butter, so maybe I will like these. I'm trying to check the date. 7/4/2026. Okay, so I feel like nothing is out of date in this box, thank goodness. And we get quite a few things. That's already 3 items. We have a 4th item. This is the By Luck Date Bar. Oh, I love dates. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be delicious, hopefully. Some of the expiration dates kind of worn off, so hopefully it's okay. Next up is the Lambada. And it doesn't really, wafer biscuits filled with chocolate cream. That also sounds incredibly delicious. And I like the blend too. We've got like sweet, salty, crunchy, and then we also have another wafer type thing. This is the Lambada, the same brand. Wafer biscuits filled with strawberry cream. That sounds amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna try like a little bite of each. It does also give us the ingredient list, nutritional facts, things like that. And roughly, like I said, this is about $17. So I feel like for 6 snacks, I feel like that's a fair price. We're looking at like $3-ish per snack. And honestly, the average snack, you know, from anywhere is $2 or $3. So I feel like it's a good value. I think, let me try the savory items first. And the reason I'm kind of asking is because I kind of obviously do subscription boxes for you guys, but then in terms of like food things, I really like to have like my son or like have my family around and like them also try it, because I'm gonna open this. If I love it, I'll finish it in the next couple of days, but if not, I'm like, what am I gonna do with this stuff? So, you know, hopefully I like the items. Hopefully my husband does like the items. If not though, you know, my family lives right around the corner, so things are not gonna go to waste. But I do also have to be mindful of, do I wanna pay $17 a month to not necessarily like everything or eat everything myself, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna first go into the Abu Off, the baked pretzels thyme flavor. I actually keep pretzels because I have motion sickness really badly. So when I go do errands and running around and stuff like that, I actually keep a bag of pretzels in my car at all times. Ooh, that smells amazing. And I do love thyme. That is delicious. It's got like a very faint like dust on there. Those are delicious. I actually think I hear my husband coming in, so we can give him his snack too. Okay, those are amazing. I know I only said I was gonna eat one. I'm gonna finish those when I eat dinner tonight. Those are excellent. Next up are the crunchy coated peanuts, the Go Nuts barbecue nuts. These, like I said, I don't really like peanuts, but maybe since they're flavored and I like barbecue flavored things, maybe I'll like them. Ooh, they smell delicious. Oh, they're way bigger than I anticipated too. Here's what they look like. That's delicious too. Ooh, it almost tastes like barbecue pork rinds to me. And the texture is nice. It's like light and crunchy. And you know, like the peanut's not super overwhelming. Like if you love peanuts, you would love this. But even as somebody that like, I'm not a peanut fan, they're quite delicious. As you can tell, because I've already eaten 3. Let me put those down. This is a much better experience than our previous box, in my opinion so far. Next up was the Chip Secco kebab flavored chips. I also think I'm gonna love these. We actually make kebabs and stuff pretty frequently. Ooh, they don't smell the best. They're not bad at all, but I'm only really tasting like, when I initially bite into it, I get just a kiss of like a smoky flavor, and then it tastes like a chip. So it's not bad at all, just not quite as flavorful as the first 2 were. But the chip's nice and light, nice and crunchy. Okay, I like that. Let me take a sip of water before I try the sweet snacks. I think I'll do the fig and then I'll try these 2. This is the By Luck date bar. I said fig. Date bar. I love dates. I love figs. Okay. Ooh, I'm hoping this is a shortbread, because if it is, I love shortbread so much. So it's got 4, I think, 4 or 5 of these little cookies. It is a shortbread. And it is delicious. I'll be finishing those two. That is amazing. And not overly sweet, which I like. Let me do my delicious foods dance, y'all. Amazing. All right, lambada wafer biscuits with strawberry cream. Everything's been good. Good gracious. All right, we have quite a few in here. Also very good. I'm very happy to say that these are much better than the previous box. Next up is the lambada with the wafer biscuits with chocolate cream. Ooh, I like the texture of that already. It's got, isn't it nutty bar? No, what are they called? There's some kind of cookies that we have that's like this same exact texture. If y'all know what I'm talking about, somebody let me know. Oh, wow. That's definitely got to be like a darker, richer cocoa in there because it's quite intense. But because the wafer's not overly sweet, it's still not like overtly, like sickeningly sweet. That's delicious. Okay, these will all get eaten. If I had to rate them, I think the pretzels are my favorite thing. And then the date bar. And then I think the two little wafer bars. Then the peanuts and the kebab chips. Now I am going to try the one add-on that I did get for myself. These are the Fruits Skittles Squishy Clouds. Again, I'm hoping that they're like my favorite candy. I hope. Everything is well in date this time as well. I smell that the second I'm opening it. Wow. I do feel like this is going to taste like squashies. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm just going to try one pink one. And as you can see, they're quite squashy and soft. It is. That's delicious. That is amazing. Oh yeah. None of this is gonna go to waste. And I'm not gonna give any of it away either this time. Okay. I will just kind of hold this up for y'all really quickly. I don't know how important the nutritional facts are for y'all. I gotta say, this time around, definitely 5 out of 5. Nothing was expired. Nothing was kind of offensively tasting. Everything was really, really good. So again, we have our little booklet. And it will tell us just kind of pertinent deets and stuff like that. It will tell us like the capital city. It tells us the population and stuff. So I like that it's also an experience. It tells us like their top 10 songs, their top 10 movies. It gives us a word search. And then they kind of go through each snack that they chose and why they chose it. So I'll also hold that up for y'all. Yeah, this was a wonderful experience this time around. Definitely. All right, so that is it. That is my snack crate box for the month of August. Hey, better late than never, y'all, okay? For the country of Egypt. I am impressed. Everything is absolutely delicious. My September box, like I said, it has already shipped. So once that comes, I will also showcase that for you guys. I'd like to know what kind of snacks you guys prefer. Are you a sweets person? Are you a savory person? Does it kind of depend on your mood? And of all these items that I showcased today, which one do you think would be your favorite? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you all so much for joining me. I am on the road to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I can only do it with your help. So if you do see this and you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You can also hype the video. You can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. And there's a join button down below you can tap to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.